Hi, welcome to another video. So as you can see, I've got this gauge running on my computer monitor. This gauge was designed and built by AI, specifically Gemini on Google, and I'm super impressed. For the long subscribers to my channel, and I thank you, you'll know I like dabbling with PIC microcontrollers. This one is specifically a PIC32MZ2048. It's running an Epson display driver and 16 megabytes of SD RAM, so synchronous dynamic RAM. What I've never been able to do is have a gauge on here with a needle that moves quickly. So AI has told me today the maximum gauge size I can have on here with a moving needle just running on a PIC32, no external devices, is 480 by 272 pixels high. This screen is an 800 by 480, so AI is telling me I can have a 480 gauge and only half the height of this screen. AI today has told me if I utilise the Epson picture-in-picture mode, I can have a dial 480 by 480 with a moving needle. So fortunately I had some pins brought out onto solder pads using the peripheral pin select pins, and I had enough to give me an external UART. So this is actually UART 1, there are 6 on this controller. This is sending 2 bytes via UART to this UART to USB interface. This cost £1 or so. My computer is picking up the 2 bytes, adding them together and displaying the results here. So this needn't be a massive computer and a big computer screen. You could do this on a Raspberry Pi. This is running Python, so I did have to install Python into Windows, and it's using TTKboostrap for this widget stroke gauge. This was the result of my first few questions to Gemini. Right, there's my finger. This was the second edition, just a bit larger. But the trouble with this program, it can't be made this big. Apparently this doesn't scale well. This was Gemini's first mention of TTK. This, it said, was an improved gauge, so this is just 1 byte of data, and you can go into the file. If you're semi-familiar with, a lot of C or something, you can play about with the thickness of these blocks, the thickness and how deep they are. Play about with the colours, and you can center it on your computer screen. This was another version. You can see the data starting at 12 o'clock coming round. Gemini tells me there are better gauges to be had with the needle, but they then have to be, somehow put onto a mini server, and then you access them via the web. You need some bridging software to read USB and get your data. Hopefully this has given you an insight in what can be achieved with Gemini. So thanks to Gemini, and thanks for watching.